You're currently paying thousands for a 2026 diploma that AI made partly obsolete before your second period class even started. While you chase prestige and good grades, the real world has already moved to a portfolio-only economy where your GPA is worth almost zero. It's time to stop the academic decay and build real skills and freedom before you graduate into a world that no longer needs your degree the old way. If you're in school right now, planning to go to college, or just graduated, this video might change how you think about your future. Today, we're diving into a big shift happening because of AI. Don't worry, it's not all scary. There's a smarter path forward. Let's climb this ladder together and discover what really matters in 2026 and beyond. Hey, if you're still watching and your brain hasn't exploded from all this truth yet, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button so YouTube knows this video is actually useful. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next reality check. And if you know someone whose 2026 degree is in danger, share this with them before they waste more money. Every like, subscribe, and share seriously helps me keep making these videos. Thank you. I really appreciate you taking action. The half-life of knowledge. First, let's talk about how fast things are changing. Imagine learning to ride a bike, but the rules keep changing every year. New pedals, new balance tricks, new roads. That's what's happening with knowledge and skills today. Experts say the half-life of many technical skills is now only about 2.5 years. That means in roughly 2.5 years, half of what you learned can become less useful or outdated. A full 4-year degree takes 48 months. By the time you finish, a big part of your freshman year lessons may already be old news. In 2026, agentic AI, smart AI systems that can act on their own and complete tasks, is speeding this up even more. Studies show that up to 70% or more of certain skills taught in the first year of college can be automated or heavily changed by AI before graduation. Universities move slowly. It can take 18 to 24 months just to update a course. Meanwhile, open-source AI tools and large language models get better every week. New versions come out constantly with fresh abilities. This creates a huge gap. The knowledge you pay for in a slow, fixed program can't keep up with a fast-moving world. That's not anyone's fault. It's just how fast technology is growing right now. The prestige trap and the debt crisis. So why do so many people still chase expensive degrees from famous schools? It feels safe. Prestige sounds good on paper, but look at the numbers. Many 4-year degrees now cost $100,000 to $200,000 or more when you include tuition, fees, and living costs. Student debt in many countries is at record highs. The ROI for some prestige degrees has turned negative or very low compared to shorter, focused options like certifications or real projects. You borrow a lot, study for years, and then enter a job market that cares less about the name on your paper. Big tech companies like Google, Apple, IBM, and Microsoft have already dropped or reduced the requirement for a college degree in many job postings. They now look for demonstrated proof of work, or real things you can show you've done. There's a big disconnect. College often teaches theory, books, lectures, and tests, but today's economy moves at high speed. Companies need people who can solve real problems quickly using the latest AI tools, not just repeat old theories. Many recent graduates feel their degree didn't prepare them well for the actual work. At the same time, specialized short programs or self-taught skills sometimes lead to jobs faster and with less debt. The rise of the proof-of-work economy. Here comes the exciting part. The old rules are being replaced by something better. Welcome to the proof-of-work economy. Instead of saying, "Trust me, I have a degree," you now show, "Watch me, here's what I built." A live GitHub repository, a public place where you store your code and projects, or a well-made portfolio is often more convincing to employers than a printed diploma. Recruiters can click, see your actual work, read your explanations, and understand how you think. Blockchain-verified skill badges and digital certificates are also growing. They give real-time proof of what you can do, unlike a static transcript that never changes. In 2026, many hiring managers say a strong portfolio of projects and internships matters more than perfect grades. Companies want to see you solving problems, using AI tools, and creating things that work in the real world. This shift gives power back to you. You don't need permission from a big institution to start proving your value. You can begin today. Building your sovereign skill stack. So what should you actually learn and build in 2026? Here are 3 non-negotiable skills that stand out. AI orchestration. This means knowing how to direct and combine different AI tools to get big results. It's like being the conductor of an orchestra where the musicians are smart AI systems. You give clear instructions, called prompt engineering, and make them work together. Complex problem synthesis. The ability to take messy, real-world problems, break them down, and create smart solutions using both human thinking and AI. AI is great at details, but humans are still best at understanding the big picture and asking the right questions. Hyper-niche storytelling. Being able to explain complicated ideas in simple, engaging ways. Whether through writing, videos, presentations, or demos, this skill helps you stand out and get your ideas noticed. How do you build this? Create a rolling syllabus for yourself. Every 3 months, review what's new in your field and add fresh skills. Treat learning like a subscription that you update regularly, not a one-time 4-year event. Join niche online communities, open-source projects, and decentralized learning groups. These places often work on cutting-edge ideas that traditional colleges haven't even named yet. Build small projects, share them publicly, get feedback, and improve. That real experience beats classroom theory. The new era of lifelong iteration. The biggest mindset shift is this. Stop thinking about graduating once and start thinking about iterating perpetually. Your career is no longer a straight line where you finish school and then you're done. It's a continuous loop of learning, building, testing, and improving. In the near future, education will feel more like a background service, affordable, flexible tools and platforms you use all your life instead of one expensive 4-year box. This gives you sovereignty. You become self-correcting. You decide what to learn next based on what the world actually needs. You turn yourself into a high-value person who can adapt quickly no matter what AI or technology brings. You don't have to completely abandon college if it fits your goals. Some fields still benefit from structured learning. But you should never rely only on institutional validation. Build your own proof. Keep creating. Keep shipping real work. Final thoughts. The death of the old degree system isn't the end. It's the beginning of something more fair and powerful. In this new era, your value comes from what you can actually do and show, not just from a piece of paper. You have more tools than ever to learn, build, and prove yourself. Start small today. Open a GitHub account, pick one project idea, and begin. What do you think? Are you still planning on a traditional degree, or are you already building your portfolio? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Share this with a friend who's stressed about school or career choices. Together, we can all build real skills and freedom in the AI age. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome. See you in the next video.